Alright, it's cold outside, but here's the Christmas vlog on Uncle Chris.
What are you doing?
Hey, nieces and nephews, check it out. This is my Christmas vlog. This will be the second day. Alright. Cool, huh? Pretty? Well, this is what it starts out looking. So, let's say you want to do a table display that's nice. Find you some old rundown flowers from the resale shop. They're like 25 cents. I got these for 25 cents, both of them. Now this one looks cool. The trick to this is adding glitter, okay? Also, I want to show you how I did the little gingerbread men on the tree, okay? We're going to do some really cool crafts today that are not going to drive you crazy, all right? Get your glue, school glue, and just put it on here liberally, okay? Just to make it tacky. Don't have it dripping, all right? How's everybody out there doing? Did you miss me? I hope you did. Hey, we're gonna do another Christmas cooking edition, okay? So in case you missed out the one from last year, I will show you how to do some things, some new stuff. And yet some old stuff rehashed. Okay, so what I've done right now, I put on the glue where I wanted it. I'm gonna go on my first color, my red. Okay, you do not have to completely cover the leaf, just where you put the glue, okay? All right. I got my red. I'm also going to save, you see this glitter down here mixed with the red and gold? I'm going to save that for something very specific, okay? Now, I'm going to come in with some more glue. Like I said, just enough to wet the leaves, okay? Just enough. I'll put some more right here for the inside flowers, and this here. Now, we're going to take our gold glitter, go over those leaves, and in our center. Okay? Now, how cool is that?
Very pretty.
Okay, now you got two flowers.
Oh, wow, those are nice.
Now, I'm going to show you how we're going to take these two flowers and two candles and make a cool center decoration for your coffee table. But before I do that, I want to show you how cool these gingerbread men cutouts are from the dollar store. I got their foam board core, how do you pronounce it?
Foam board core?
I guess. It's the foam board over in the arts and crafts section. They got these cutouts too. They're shaped like gingerbread men. They come in brown, they come in lighter brown, and they also come in white. So I'm gonna cut this one out in front of you guys. This stuff cuts so easy. Unlike the giant styrofoam board. You hear me, guys? I will show you the giant gingerbread man. I haven't given up on him yet, but I just about did. Because let me tell you, the guy makes it look easy, but you have to have the right tools and the right talent. I didn't have the tools. I think I had the talent, but I truly did not have the tools to cut that styrofoam. And I'm gonna tell you that board cost about 15 bucks. So yeah, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna cut our gingerbread guy out. Now, I of course did edit out some of the cutting I did for this gingerbread man. But Michael, how long did it take me to do that?
About 5 minutes.
Yeah, about 5 minutes. 5 or 7 minutes, you'll cut the gingerbread man out. Now look, at the dollar store, they got these stick-on little gems, and I thought it'd be a cool idea to make one blingy gingerbread man. We're gonna put these here. I'll try to spread them out a little bit. Like little buttons on them, little diamond buttons. Now, take your glue. I want to do this on top of here because I need to use the glitter for something else. Take your glue and go around the edge of the gingerbread man, okay? It'll look like icing when you're done.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. And it'll also hide any mistakes you made when you was cutting him out. But he's supposed to be a cookie. And cookies are not shaped perfectly. Okay? You do not have to be Picasso to do this, nieces and nephews. Okay? And actually, you could do this with the kids and it would be fun because these are not hot like a cookie would be. Okay? Like he's got little mittens on. Some little mittens. Some more little booties. And then a little like here. Now, a dot for the eye. Boom. A dot for the other eye. Boom.
Wow.
And a smile for the mouth.
You see him how he comes to life. That's so cute.
I love these. If you make a mistake, you just do that. Bring it on in. Now, to give him some extra pizzazz, this iridescent glitter is so cool. You can get this at Hobby Lobby. You can get it at, I got it at Walmart. Okay? Now, we're going to go over the gingerbread man with this. Oh, how cool is that? Now you're going to let this dry at least for 2 hours, if not overnight, okay? Now, I'm also going to take a, look what I'm doing. I took a pinch of the red and gold glitter, and I'm going over this because I want him to kind of have a peppermint look. You know what I'm saying? For the holidays. So this will be different from the other gingerbread men I put on the tree, okay? All right, now we're gonna let him dry for at least 2 hours. And it'll be all right. Dollar store bell. Yeah. It's not bad, but yeah. Okay. We're gonna make an ice bell. Now how we do that? Let me show you something. You take your glue. This could get a little messy. Put some glue on the bell. Like on one side. Okay? Not complete coverage. Now I suggest taking a paintbrush or something and putting it on there like this. Okay? See how I'm putting it on? It's kind of like I'm stippling it. I don't want it to be perfect or straight or anything like that. I'm gonna get a little bit on the other side, but I mostly want it on one side, and I'm gonna show you why in a minute. Okay. Now, once again, we're going to take our iridescent glitter, go on this thing just like this.
And you can make that any color you want.
Any color, but if you're going to make it ice like this one,
Mm-hmm.
you use the iridescent glitter and the white Elmer's glue.
Okay.
Okay? Now, hold on. Let's get that coverage like that.
That's pretty cool. I'm seeing what you're doing now.
And it looks like it's frozen.
Wow.
How cool is this?
It looks like there's icicles on it, actually ice, because it was hanging outside.
Yes. This little bell from the dollar store now looks like a really cool ornament you can hang on your tree or set on your table. Okay, nieces and nephews. So I've got a dollar store little decoration here you put on the tree, and I got another one. You're gonna take your beautiful flowers, your 2 candles, slide one flower this way, slide the other one the other way to hide the stems, just like that. Okay, bring these together. Ta-da! I want to keep it simple. It's pretty, yet it's simple. And you can always extinguish your candles, and it still looks good. The Christmas tree came out so good. The gingerbread man looks so cool. I'm gonna put our new gingerbread man on here, but I want to show you the bottom. Oh, Chris is getting down on the floor. All right. This looks so fancy, right? I made it look like a present wrapped. I put a little village, but all this is, nieces and nephews, is a piece of material you can get at Walmart. I got a red, shiny suede. Look at this. It's a box I got from the food pantry. Can you see that?
Your hand is in the way.
It's just a box from the food pantry. I draped this over, okay? My tree stand is hidden under here. Oop, I lost me a house. Just drape it around. You don't have to fret. And that way, it made my tree look bigger. This is only, I think, a 5-foot tree I got from the Walmart. Yeah, it only cost me about $28. So, all the ornaments are from the dollar store. Dollar store ornaments, dollar store candy canes, and I'm still keeping with the theme of Candyland for Christmas, which shows you Christmas does not have to be too expensive. All right, nieces and nephews, till next time, like, comment, and have fun at Christmas. Subscribe.